Good morning, it's Patrick the Okie Shaver. It is Saturday, July 22nd, I guess it is. Want to share another shave with you with some stuff that some of us knew, some of us not. Don't know if any of y'all watch, but Dave in Kentucky is a YouTube channel that I subscribe to. I watch all his videos. He uses a lot of vintage stuff, kind of like I do. And we've been chatting back and forth. He watches this channel for whatever reason, and I watch his, which has very good content. I like it. And he sent me a few things, like I need anything, but I was appreciative to get it. One of the things is something that I've been trying to get for years, and he sent it to me, and he didn't ask me anything that I wanted or needed. He just asked a few simple questions, and but anyway, it's a Star lather catcher. I think this is a 1902. This camera is dirty. Anyways, may have to put up with this video. But Kampfe brothers, I'm not sure how to say that, but anyways, I think this is a 1902 according to from what I read in my compendium. But anyways, yeah, it does have one. In the tin, it has a wedge blade, and don't know if I'll ever use it or not. I've got a regular gym blade that I'll use in it today. My first try, so if I cut my face off, that's kind of the way it is. But yeah, it's got the strapping attachment in it and all that good stuff. So yeah, he sent that, which, like I said, I've been wanting one forever. And this is a Durham Dorset. I'm not sure how to say that, but it's an aluminum. These were made like in 44 through 48 or something like that, from what I read. But it takes a proprietary blade. But he sent me a hack on how to use two Artist Club blades to make it shave right. So eventually we'll be trying to use this one. I really like the look of this razor myself. And then he sent me a tub of Stirling Bay Rum. I'm a Stirling fan, as you all know. So thank you very much, Dave. I sure do appreciate all this stuff, and I appreciate you watching. And he gave a shout out last week to this channel, and I've gained a few subscribers. I don't care so much about subscribers. I do appreciate everyone who watches. I'm not saying that, don't get me wrong, but anyone else that comes along, I do appreciate it. Thank you, Dave. I appreciate all you've done for me. So anyways, saying all that, we'll get into what we're going to use. And this is we've got some Colgate soap we're going to be using. And I've got a Horsehair brush. This is a V-Long. I think it was the Shave Nook, maybe. A buddy of mine, Kirk Green, sent it to me. I like this brush. I don't use it quite enough. I know you hear that a lot on this channel, but so, and then I got this week. I wanted it during Christmas and I didn't get it quick enough. So Stirling Oud Sigma. I didn't buy the soap. I'm not going to buy so many soaps anymore. I'm going to use mostly Williams, or an unscented, so to say, traditional soap. Sorry, my thinker's not thinking too good today. All right, we if you don't know, my daughter and son-in-law, they adopted two teenage girls earlier this summer. They've been fostering them for a few months, got the opportunity to adopt them, and now they are part of the family. We have the grand girls, as we call them. This weekend we'll have them as long as they want to stay, as far as I'm concerned, but we'll see how long they stay. They're here this morning, and Nana is cooking breakfast and waiting on me to do eggs. So I better get on with this shaver. I will be in trouble with the girls all day long. All right, here we go. Wet my face and get some soap on this brush. Hope y'all are all doing good and you had a good week and you're feeling well and all that good stuff, and getting some rest this weekend, or when your weekend comes that you're going to get some good rest anyways. Don't know if you can hear that, but a guy drives by here on a gas-powered bicycle about 3 times a day, and my dogs just hate that guy for some reason. But I thought it was a kid on a motor scooter or something like that, and I walked out the other day and he's probably in his 20s, riding looks like an old Schwinn with some sort of a motor on it, gas-powered motor. I thought, well, at least he's getting around cheap anyways. And this old Colgate is hard to beat. I know I say that a lot, but I just really like it as a soap. As opposed to what, I don't know what else it would be other than a soap, but okay, here we go. This is my first pass ever with this, so we'll see how it goes. All right. Bit of a learning curve, if you can tell. This Oud Sigma is a dupe, homage, however you want to say it, of Polo, pardon me, Supreme Oud. And the scent notes on it are Oud, guaiac wood. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. I know you've all seen it in scent notes. And I wrote it down, hold on. Oud, guaiac wood, vetiver, cinnamon, and pink pepper. And it doesn't smell exactly like I thought it might, but I'm not disappointed. It's got a smoky start to it. You don't get that so much as you wear it through the day, but I count on there's 2 girls in our office, and I count on them on the scents I use because my wife is very much indifferent. And they both said it was a keeper, so Here we go. Wipe this off. That's the second pass. Done deal. It's hot here, but I mean, it's toward the end of July, so I don't guess I'd expect anything different. We have had rain again this week, as I mentioned last week. We had rain a couple days this week, and then, you know, in the morning, and then by the evening you're melting to make it nice. Nice. Okie doke. Third and final pass with the Kampfe Brothers Star Razor. I do have a 1906 or 7 ever ready lather catcher with the short wooden handle that my wife bought me for Christmas some time ago. 6-7 years ago probably. That's a big apparatus if you think about it, compared to what we're normally using, or what I normally use. Pretty good shave. Can't complain a bit. Let me get this soap wiped off and get some aftershave on to get off of here. Alright. Stirling Food Sigma. And I'm sure anyone else could explain this scent better than me, but smoky, spicy. Maybe smoky's not the right word, but to me it's smoky. I don't know. Either way, let me recap and get off here and let y'all go. Today we used the Star Razor from Kampfe Brothers, Kampfe, I don't know. Anyways, the lather catcher. Thank you very much, Dave. I appreciate this so much. The V-Long horsehair brush from the Shave Nook, I believe is where it was the group buy. And then we used Colgate in this old, don't even know what if that's a shave cup or not, but it is now. I'll get off here and let y'all go. I sure do appreciate you watching and sharing your time with me. Be careful out there, and Lord willing, we'll see y'all next Saturday. Thank you.